Data handling. Spiral learning. Knowing about data handling. Making pictographs. Bar graph. Lists are used to arrange and present information. They help us to understand the given facts easily and quickly. This list shows the favorite sport of 30 students in a class. Favorite sport. Number of children. Cricket. 19. Badminton. 5. Tennis. 5. Swimming. 1. We can easily read. Which sport is most popular? Which two sports are equally liked? Pictographs are lists which use picture. They are also made using a scale. Scale 1 is equal to 5 ice creams. Day. Ice creams sold. How many ice creams were sold on Monday? 7 into 5 is equal to 35 ice creams. 7 in drawing, each drawing means 5 ice creams. Lists and pictographs are called smart charts. We can read given smart charts to get required information. We can also compare and get new information. Smart charts can also be drawn as per given information. Information collected for a study is called data. Organizing and representing information is called data handling. Data handling. Information collected for a study is called data. Example. What are the favorite colors of Hriday's friends? Hriday asks each friend and writes down the data. In the above form, the data is difficult to understand and compare. So let us make a list. Color. Number of friends who like color. Red. 5. Pink. 3. Blue. 4. Green. 2. Yellow. 3. White. 3. Now, the data is better organized. We can also get new information. Which color is most liked? Which colors are equally liked? Lists with more information. Lists can also be made with added information about the same data. For the added information, we make more columns. Example. The given list shows grades of 4 students in 3 subjects. Read the list and answer the questions. A. Which student has the best grade in maths? Kishore. B. Which student has the best grade in sports? Pavan. C. Which student has same grade in all subjects? Apurva. D. Which student requires most improvement in English? Pavan. E. Which two students have grade B in maths? Apurva and Kirthi. Pictographs. Pictograph is a list of related pictures. Example 1. Flowers used in a bouquet. Scale 1 flower is equal to 3 flowers. Name. Number of flowers used. Riddhi. 3 flowers. Priya. 6 flowers. Vidya. 4 flowers. Ritu. 4 flowers. A pictograph makes the list more attractive. When the numbers are large, we can use a scale. A pictograph always has a title. Making a pictograph. To make a pictograph. Step 1. Read the data and choose a suitable title. Step 2. Draw a table with 2 columns. Write the title and heading for each column. Draw required number of rows. Step 3. Fill up first column with information from the table. For the second column, choose a suitable picture. If numbers are large, choose a scale. Step 4. Draw required number of pictures in each row. Example 1. A group of green activists planted trees in 3 towns, 400 in town A, 450 in town B, and 500 in town C. Represent this data as a pictograph using a suitable picture and scale. Solution. Picture. Tree. Scale 1 tree is equal to 100 trees. Half tree is equal to 50 trees. Trees planted in 3 towns. Town A. 400 trees. Town B. 450 trees. Town C. 500 trees. Bar graph. A bar graph is another way of presenting organized data. In this, bars are drawn which have height as per the data. Example 1. This bar graph shows the number of prizes won by 3 children. How many prizes have they won? Jatin. 4 prizes. Pulak. 3 prizes. Swarna. 6 prizes. Reading a bar graph. 1. Read the title to know the nature of data. 2. Check the height of each bar carefully. By keeping a ruler horizontally on top of the bar and reading the matching number on the vertical scale. Lab activity. Bar graph using class information. 1. Make a list of names of students in your class. Roll no. Student's name. Favorite color. 2. Let members of the group move around the class, meet each student and note down his/her favorite colors. 3. Using the class information, make a bar graph titled Favorite Colors of Our Class on a chart paper with help of all group members.